Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite simple friendship bracelets, the heart bracelet. This is pattern number 150 on Bracelet Book, which will be linked in the description box in case you wanted to follow along. But this is a great friendship bracelet if you're just looking for some summer fun or a new hobby. I would definitely recommend making this one, but first go check out my video on the basic knots, which will be linked in the description as well. Let's get started. For this friendship bracelet, you're going to need one pair of scissors and then 2 colors of embroidery floss. Each color of embroidery floss, I'm going to cut mine to about 60 inches per color twice. So you'll have 2 strands of 60 inches, 2 strands of 60 inches, and that's around 1.5 meters each. So 2 strands each color, then you'll have a total of 4 strands of about 60 inches in length. Behold my 4 strands of thread that are all about 1.5 meters long. Now we'll find the ends to both. Voila, there's the ends. Match them up so they're about the same length, and then we will find the midpoint, or the middle, I guess I should say. Once you find the middle, there we go. Wait, what? No. There's the middle of all of them, like that together. You want to make sure you're keeping them all together, and then you're going to want to create just a tiny loop. So, pull them all, make sure they're kind of all the same. And tie a little knot. Oh dear, that's way too big. I'll be right back. Okay, that will do for me. Let me just pull it tight and then we will be ready to begin. Okay everybody, so let's split our threads in half and line them up in this order. So I have heart color, for me that's pink, so it'll be pink, green, and then other side it's gonna be mirror image, so green, pink, green, pink. Okay, I'm going to pause right here. If you don't know the basic 4 types of knots, make sure to go check out my tutorial that will be linked right there in the card on the 4 basic types of knots. Okay, back to the video. So first of all, I'm going to need you guys to take your leftist color, this heart color, the pink, and I'm going to need you guys to do a forward knot. So 1 forward knot with the pink. To continue, we're going to use that same pink to do a forward knot over each of the next 2 strands until we reach the middle of the heart. On this next side, we're going to grab the pink on the rightmost side, and we're going to do 4 backward knots over all of the next threads, so a backward knot over the green. A backward knot over this pink. Whoa. A backward knot over this green. And then finally, we will do a backward knot to join these 2 pink threads together. Just like a basic chevron. We just basically did a chevron. So there you go guys, that's a chevron tutorial. Let's continue with the heart. Continuing with the pattern that Bracelet Book has given us, we'll be taking this outermost green and we'll be doing the exact same thing. So basically a chevron. We'll be doing 3 forward knots over each of these next 3 threads into the middle. So 1 forward knot, 2 forward knots, and then a 3rd forward knot. Then with this outermost green on this side, this one right here, we'll be doing 4 backward knots into the middle. 1, 2, 3, and then of course the 4th one joining those 2 strands. Voila, we have finished a chevron. Congratulations, chevron tutorial. Okay, moving on to the next step. For this next step of the pattern, it's going to get tricky. So we'll begin by taking this green strand, so the second outermost one, and we'll be doing a backward knot over the outermost one. So backward knot. That will help us to create the heart shape. But then with that string, that one that we just knotted over, we'll take that one and we'll be doing 2 forward knots into the middle of the little chevron point. We can already see the pattern kind of coming together. Okay, the next we'll move to the right side and we'll take the second outermost thread, which is this green one right here, and we'll do a forward knot over the outermost pink thread. So there we go. Now we'll take that pink thread right here that we just knotted over, and we'll do 3 backward knots to interjoin those other pink, well, we'll join it to the other pink thread. This bracelet kind of reminds me of a watermelon with the colors, the pink and the green. I don't know. Okay, so next we're going to be repeating this process. We'll be taking the second innermost strand on the left side, which is this pink, and we'll be doing a backward knot over that green, which is the outermost thread. So there we go. And then we'll take that one, the next second outermost thread, which is this green one now that we just knotted over, and we'll be doing 2 forward knots till we reach the middle. Oopsies. To repeat that step, we'll go to the next side. We'll take the second outermost thread, which is this pink one, and we'll do a forward knot over the outermost thread. Then with that green one that we just knotted over, we'll do 3 backward knots. For this next step of the bracelet, we'll take the outermost left string, this pink one, and we'll be doing a chevron again. So we will begin by doing 3 forward knots. Uh-oh, look at my string, look at all that mess. What's with that? And then with this side, we'll take that outermost pink and we'll be doing 4 backward knots until we reach the middle to create that heart shape. Once again, we'll be repeating that pattern and we'll be doing 1 more chevron before we repeat the process. So take that green and do 3 forward knots. First, let me just tape this really quick. Okay, so now we can continue with this chevron. We'll do the forward knots into the middle. Then we'll come to this side and we'll do, once again, into the middle, we'll do backward knots with the green. Okay, next it's time to do a different row. So we just did 2 chevrons, and now we will start again with taking the second outermost thread, this green, and we'll be doing a forward knot over that pink. Then we'll come over to this side and we will do a backward knot with that green over that leftmost pink. Boom. Then we'll take the pink and we'll do 2 forward knots into the middle. Then on this next side, we can go back and take that pink that we had knotted over previously and we'll do 3 backward knots into the middle. Next, we'll be doing one of these special rows again. So we'll take the pink, and on the second outermost thread, we will do a forward knot over the outermost thread. Then with that green, you can go ahead that you just knotted over and do 2 backward knots into the middle. Next, we can come over to the left side and take that pink that's second to the outermost thread. Right there, see that one that's second? And we'll do a backward knot over the outermost thread. With that green that we just knotted over, or whatever color you're using, we will be doing three forward knots. 1, 2, and then this third one, we'll just join those two greens together. Next, we'll repeat the process before, and we'll be doing a chevron. We'll take the pink on the outermost leftist side, and we'll do 3 forward knots into the middle. With that pink on the rightmost side, we'll take it and we'll do 4 backward knots into the middle. Finish off this pattern, we're gonna, well, not finish it off, but to end this segment of rows, we'll take the outermost green and we'll be doing 3 forward knots into the middle. And then we'll come to the right side and we'll take that outermost green and do 4 backward knots into the middle. Now you are ready to continue the pattern on your own. I will leave a timestamp for you guys right over here so you can know what to do if you still need the video to follow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.